Hey y'all.
Hello.
Reggie and Cheryl coming back to you with another recipe from the unofficial Disney Parks cookbook. Today we're making the fruit stuffed waffles that you can find at Sleepy Hollow, a quick service location at the Magic Kingdom. It's at the entrance of the Liberty Square area. Such a yummy place to get a quick bite to eat. I can't do all the talking. All right, and our ingredients today to make the waffles. This is the waffle recipe. 2 cups milk, ½ cup oil, 2 large eggs separated, 2 cups flour. The sugar was, I think, a ¼ cup of sugar. This is baking powder and salt. And then here's our vanilla, which I'm gonna add our vanilla to the eggs, because we all know that helps with the flavor. Right now we're gonna take our 2 egg whites and we're gonna beat them till they're stiff. 2 large egg whites separated. We're gonna whip this till stiff peaks. This is what you need when it calls for stiff peaks. Look how light and fluffy the batter got just from taking our time to fold in those egg whites. It's worth the extra work. Nice and fluffy. Stay together, yay! Woohoo! All right, so the first thing we have to add is hazelnut spread. I'm not gonna add a huge amount, but I'll add just a little bit. And then the next thing is sprinkle on some fruit.
Is that enough?
Reggie, try to be authentic to what the recipe said. Get my bananas on. And this is what the recipe picture looks like here. So we want it to kind of look like that. And we're gonna fold it and make a sandwich. Just like that. You ready?
No. Okay, it's ready?
Okay. Now let's slide that away. Now fold yours in half so it looks like a sandwich. Did you put too much stuffing in your waffle?
Probably.
Probably.
So it may flop over a little bit. There it is.
Yeah. Now it's a taste test.
We forgot the blueberries, but that's okay. There's still fruit.
Use whatever fruit you have at home.
Yes.
Don't worry about what the recipe says. Go with the flow. Ready?
Now mine is overflowing, so.
Yep. Cheers.
Cheers.
Boink.
Cheers.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. And the fruit is so good.
Mm-hmm. I will say, I love this waffle recipe. The waffles are so light and fluffy, and they've just got like this hint of sweetness. So good. The best waffle recipe I've tried yet.
I mean, believe it or not, this is actually pretty good.
Delish. And you can add as much of the hazelnut spread as you want, or omit it. He's not a fan of it. So you can omit it if you like, and like we said, use whatever fruit you have at home.
It's good.
But this is delish.
I don't want to stop eating.
So good.
This is like a sweet snack.
Well, when you go to Magic Kingdom in the morning and you're rope dropping, this is a perfect place to go get a breakfast, because this waffle at Sleepy Hollow is like twice the size of what I have in my hand. Easily shareable. They also have Mickey waffles with strawberry sauce on them. They've got a waffle with a chicken patty in it as well. I think it's a spicy chicken patty. But it's easily shareable. Great way to cut costs for breakfast. So that's my tip to you.
I actually enjoyed this right here. This is really good. All right, thank you guys for watching today. If you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing. Please hit the like button, subscribe.
Leave a comment down below or a question. If you want to make these recipes at home, the link down below for this book of the Unofficial Disney Parks Recipe Cookbook. It's fun, it's family friendly, and we used our own waffle iron. We didn't get a Mickey shaped one.
So we're bringing Disney home to us while we're not at the parks. The hazelnut spread is pretty good. I enjoyed it.
What?
I didn't think I would. The hazelnut spread is good.